Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, today we are going to discuss various philosophies associated with marketing management. So, there are production concepts, product concepts, selling concepts, marketing concepts, and societal concepts. Now, we will have a comparative study for these 5 concepts, starting with production concept. But what is the starting point in production concept? It is factory. In product concept, again it is factory. In selling concept, again it is factory. And in marketing concept, it is marketing. And in societal concept, the starting point is market and society. Now, main focus. What is the main focus of production concept? The main focus of production concept is quantity of product. In product concept, it is quality of product. Selling concept, selling existing product by hook and crook. And in marketing concept, it is customer satisfaction. And in social concept, it is customer satisfaction within the tradition of society. So these are the main focuses of these different philosophies associated with marketing management. Means. In production concept, availability and affordability of products are the means. Improvement of quality is the means of product concept. Selling and promoting is the means of selling concept. Marketing technique is the means of marketing concept. Marketing technique again is the means of societal concept. So these are the means which are associated with different philosophies. Now, ends. Profit through large volume of production is the only end of production concept. In production concept, the only aim is profit through large volume of production. Whereas in product concept, profit through the quality of product is the end of product concept. Whereas in selling concept, profit through goods sales volume is the ends of selling concept. In marketing concept, profit through customer satisfaction is the ends of marketing concept. And last, societal concept. Profit through customer satisfaction and social welfare is the end of societal concepts. So we are here to going to discuss the new trend, that is marketing concept. The marketing concept concentrate on the needs of the customer. This concept says that the product should be designed and produced keeping in mind the need of the customer and try to satisfy the needs better than the competitors. So according to the marketing, product should be designed and produced in keeping the needs of customer and try to satisfy their needs better than customers. So according to the marketing concept, the customer satisfaction is the precondition for releasing firm's goal and objectives. Once again I repeat, customer satisfaction is the precondition for releasing firm's goal and objectives. Under marketing concept, firms don't sell what they have, but they produce and sell what customer wants. So this is the basic difference. Now, what are the basic pillars for marketing concept? Identification of market, understanding the needs and wants of the customers in target market, development of product or services for satisfying the needs of target market better than the competitor, doing all this at a profit. You have to do all the activities along with profit earning. The firm adopting marketing concept give importance to two important market force. These are customer and competitor. As the firm keep a close eyes on the needs and wants of customer and try to satisfy these needs better than their customer are doing. So students, that's all for today's class regarding marketing management. Thank you and have a nice day.